PhoneView from UnifiedFX has long been the market leader for Cisco physical phone management. Certified by Cisco as compatible with Cisco Unified Communications and certified by the U.S. Armed Forces, it is an extremely secure and safe solution for domestic and global organizations. PhoneView has long been known for its best-in-class capabilities, like deleting thousands of ITL files with a single button press. Now, in the latest versions of PhoneView, a central engineer can not only work with physical phones, but also with Webex and Jabber softphones in a single interface. You can even test a user's Jabber devices when offline. From PhoneView's interface, you can perform non-disruptive call testing on a single PC, run E911 testing in accordance with Kerry's Law and the Ray-Baum Act, test multiple Jabber devices together, test advanced features like monitor and record, perform complex dial plan and feature tests, test audio or video calls between clusters, and even place test calls into voicemail, IVRs, or Cisco contact centers. If you have a Cisco UCCX call center, you can perform non-disruptive UCCX agent testing, including end-to-end testing of your UCCX systems, validate and test UCCX scripts and their interactions, test ACD and agent skills-based routing, queue overflow, supervisor operations, and UCCX monitor recording. Using PhoneView across your company network can easily show a positive ROI in a single project. With PhoneView from UnifiedFX, you may never need to send an engineer to site again. www.unifiedfx.com